This is ButterHub, a smarter butter dish with innovative design.
A magnet to hold the included knife. Extended feet to keep butter mess off the table. Ramps to scoop up butter. An edge to scrape.
And everything can be carried with one hand. Regular butter dishes are bulky and require two hands to pick up. Then you have to go searching for a knife with the other hand. With ButterHub, you can pick it up easily with one hand, and the knife is magnetically fixed to the lid, so it goes with the dish. Most dish lids are flat, and when they get messy, they leave a ring of butter everywhere you set them down. We've designed feet on the ButterHub, so even if it gets very messy, the butter is held fully off the table. With other butter dishes, it is difficult to scoop the butter off the tray and keep it on your knife. With ButterHub, we've designed ramps to help easily scoop up butter. During use, it's often difficult to find a place to rest your knife. With our magnetic lid, you can easily rest
the knife during use, even with butter on it. When you need to scrape your knife clean, most butter dishes are too low to do this easily, or they have uneven edges. ButterHub has a raised scrape plate to both clean the knife and pick up more butter. When you're all done, just clean the knife on the scrape plate and attach it to the lid. Your knife stays on top of the ButterHub. The feet lock the lid into place, so the lid doesn't slide off when you pick it up. Even the knife stays in place magnetically.